Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today I'm going to show you how to operate the child locks for the doors. So if you don't want the rear doors opening from the inside for the kids, you'll notice that in the door jamb there used to be, here's an older Suburban or Tahoe to show you, there used to be a switch there that you could flip that would lock the doors from the inside. It's no longer there on the newer models. Instead, you still have that option, but it's a button here kind of by the window switches. So it's the one right there on the bottom left with the little picture of the small child. And you'll want to have your key fob or at least turn the car to run. You don't have to turn it on, but you just have to have power to it in order to operate this. And so as soon as you push the button, you'll notice that it will light up to show that it's engaged, and you'll actually hear a lock happen. So to show you here, when you push the button, listen for it to lock here on the door. You'll hear it. Okay, so that's how you know that it's engaging. So once again, when the light's on, it's active. And what you'll notice is if you reach over and you turn the car off, it's actually going to remember that setting. So the next time that you go to get into the car and you reach over and turn the power on and start the car, okay, now you'll notice that that light is on again. So basically, if the light's on, it's engaged and it's going to keep the doors from opening from the inside of the vehicle. You'll have to manually open them from outside the vehicle. It's the child safety lock. So hopefully this helps you out. I'll put a link in the description of this video to all the other videos I've made on this truck, and hopefully you'll enjoy them. Thanks for watching.